after sitting is more than 50 interviews over last 6 years, I'm going to give you three reasons why entry-level candidates fail to get offers. I have seen this firsthand, so I'm going to tell you the way it is. Number one, confidence. Mostly in their ability to add value. Most students think that they have nothing to offer, but that's not just true. Many students believe that they need like professional experience to know how to create value and deliver results, but this is really not true. The truth is, every employer has problems, and you provide a new perspective, you provide value by solving those problems, either is real or hypothetical. You basically, you need to have that confidence that you do add value, you bring a new perspective to solve, you do bring new angles to solve a problem, to an old problem. So the confidence, you need to have the confidence. Second is communications. A lack of soft skills, EQ, or even confidence can all affect student candidates. And struggling students usually treat interview as interrogation, instead of conversation with a human. Remember, interviewers are also humans. They are not there to really interrogate you. They are real to know more about you. What candidates do is they overthink, overanalyze, play mental Jenga with simple questions. Just relax, be yourself. Share stories, share good stuff, share what projects you did, share. Don't just share that the structured answer you got it from the internet. That really turns off. Number three is lack of drive, and I'm telling you, we have over time chosen several candidates who lacked experience, but they made it up by the drive. They had really huge drive to succeed. They wanted to learn, they wanted to, it came off right. So that's third thing I can tell you.